Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make toffee for Mother's Day. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 sticks of unsalted butter, which is about 1 cup, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt to enhance all those wonderful flavors. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable for a delightful treat. Now, let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, melt your 2 sticks of butter with 1 cup of granulated sugar over medium heat. Stir continuously to prevent burning and ensure even cooking. Keep a close eye on your candy thermometer. We're aiming for exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. The mixture will transform into a beautiful, deep amber color, signaling it's almost ready for the next step. Once your toffee reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat right away. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and your pinch of salt. Now, working quickly is key. Pour the hot toffee onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Use an offset spatula to spread it into an even, thin layer, ideally about 1/4 of an inch thick. This ensures a delightful crunch in every single bite. After spreading, let your toffee cool completely at room temperature. This usually takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour, ensuring it becomes perfectly brittle. Once fully firm, gently break the toffee into delightful, irregular pieces. For an extra special touch, you can melt some chocolate and drizzle it over the cooled toffee. Package your beautiful, homemade treat for a truly thoughtful Mother's Day gift.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.